Let's get started. A safety compass has no sharp points, but you will find small dots all along the orange side, and in the white circle there are large circles as well as smaller dots and a gold ring in the very center, and that's our lineup point. We'll need a sharp pencil to use a safety compass. First, I'm going to mark a spot on my paper to line up the compass so that I can make concentric circles. I line up my small dot with the gold ring in the center of the white circle. Now, I draw with my right hand, so with my left hand, I'm going to spread my fingers out and press it down so the orange part doesn't move. This allows the white circle to spin, and when I put my pencil in one of the small holes and spin my pencil around, I get a perfect circle. Now, if I want a concentric rings around the same circle, I line up the dot in the gold ring once more, choose a new space, and draw another circle. Now, this compass is excellent, except the only problem is that the smaller circles can be a little tricky to get that white part to spin. It does take a little bit of practice, so I encourage you to practice on a sample piece of paper until you get the hang of it. We can make even smaller circles by using the large holes found in the white ring, and I can trace each one of those to make a smaller and smaller circle. Now we can go larger. I will line up my gold ring with the mark in the very center, and this time I'm going to use my fingers to hold the white circle piece of plastic, and I'm going to choose a hole, and now the orange part spins. Every single hole that you find on a safety compass will make a different size circle. It can be so large, in fact, that you can create circles that is larger than your page. Practice using the 3 different techniques I've shown you in using the safety compass, using the holes in the white circle, the large circles cutouts in the white circle, and the holes in the orange part of the safety compass.